Thank you to all of you who reached out. I am back in Singapore. Okay na po ako and I am recovering really well. Regarding sa situation naman sa China about sa HMPV, honestly, life is pretty normal in Yunnan and Chengdu where I've been. And sobrang daming inuubo pero para sa kanila, normal flu na lang yun, especially during winter season. Please don't panic kasi according to experts, this virus have been around for decades and we have developed certain immunity to it and it's unlikely to be COVID number 2. Back to me naman, honestly, hindi ko alam kung nakuha ko yung HMPV but I was really sick for total of 1 week, pang 10th day na ngayon pero still recovering. So 3 days on and off yung fever ko. I have flu-like symptoms, masakit yung katawan, super swollen yung throat, ang sakit siya, tapos inuubo ako and then very weak, wala akong appetite so I've lost like around 3 kilos in just 1 week. Thank you once again and please take care. Wishing you a healthy new year 2025.